Hello everyone. So what I did here, I've made a lock for the two stages of the tower. I didn't think it was good just having the tower supporting on cable. So this is a bolt-on lock. The stages sit on top of this part here. As the stages go up, this part pulls down. It bolts on flat there. It pulls down and the stages go past. When you want to lock the stage, it lets go and hits like that. So there's two of these. There's one on the first stage, or the base stage, and there's one on the second stage. Let's go and have a bit of a look on how it will work. This is just a mock-up at the moment. The lock fits here. It bolts onto this part here. As you can see, the stage comes along and hits that. From the base, there'll be a cable, comes down and pulls, lets the other stage come up past it, then it locks down. No problems at all. It has the double security of sitting on the metal below, so it can sit onto there nice and firm. Then when you pull it, it just comes straight up like that. A couple of bolts will hold in position. That should be more than enough. That's the pulley, the holder for the pulley. Thought I was going to get this sucker sprayed this weekend, but the weather was pretty average. DX was average as well, but anyway, easy enough to make. Some good sturdy steel, stainless steel spring. That will have a stainless rope attached. Down the bottom there'll be two ropes, or two stainless steel ropes. One for the top stage, one for the bottom stage. There'll be an ability to pull it back and lock it into position when you're lowering and raising the antenna. When it's in position, you let that go and then release the pressure off the winch. The stages will drop down. Anyway, just thought I would let you see that one.